Great lots to build your dream vacation spot. Southern Oaks consist of 4 lots, Lot 5, 6, 39 and 40. The property is a perfect place to make as your next vacation getaway. Southern Oaks is a great community that offers amazing amenities that the whole family can enjoy. Take a dip in the pool on hot summer days and use the boat ramp for all of your boating needs. The community allows RV parking and mobile homes upon approval. Come take a look today and start enjoying the lake life tomorrow. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 874 0001. That's 903 874 0001.